Hey guys, my name is George Model from Model Woodshop, and in this video I would like to show you how to change the pad for your Dewalt orbital sander here at Model Woodshop. Okay, this is the Dewalt model DWE6423, and what happens to this one is that it had some little hooks. And when we apply the pressure, the little hooks start to worn down. So the sanding disc, they usually, when it's worn down, we're using it and it just flies away, okay? So what we need to do is to change this pad. And the tools you need, I could use a T20 star bit or just a flat screwdriver. Okay, another important thing is that there's two kinds of pads. One with 4 holes and there's another one with 3 holes in a triangle shape, okay? So be sure to get the correct one. For this one, we're just gonna use the flat screwdriver. Just take them off. You could get the pads. They're like $20 on your Home Depot, or if you get them by Amazon, you could just get them like around $15. I'll drop the link below on. You just take it off, see, and we have the replacement. This is the replacement. See the difference? So this one, they don't stick that very well. Okay, they don't stick that very well. So on this one, it's gonna be different. Okay, you just hit the holes. And you just screw them back in. Pretty simple, and it saves you a lot of headaches. Because when you're sanding, you waste time when the flying discs, yeah, that's what I call them now, flying disc. I mean, literally, they just start to fly away. Okay, so we change it, and we can now put back on our pad. Okay, so that was easy, okay? And that was for the Dewalt DWE6423. Okay guys, well, it was pretty simple, wasn't it? Please drop some comments below. And I want to thank you a lot for watching this video. I hope you find value in it. Please give us a like just to let you two know it's a good video and it could be recommended to other people. Also, subscribe and hit that notification bell just to let you know when we upload another video. Stay tuned because a big project's coming up here at Model Woodshop. Bye everybody.